Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to you all and happy World Environment Day. Today we stand together to celebrate the very foundation of our existence, but more importantly, we gather to reflect on our responsibility toward it. The global theme for the year is inspired by nature for climate for your future. World Environment Day 2026 is officially hosted by the Republic of Azerbaijan with the main global event taking place in capital city of Baku. This year, a host country, the Republic of Azerbaijan, is putting a massive spotlight on nature-based solutions and transitioning toward green technologies. They are showing that innovation and nature can work hand in hand. We too can be innovators in our own homes and classrooms. We can invent new ways to recycle, spread awareness in our communities, and advocate for green places. When we protect the climate, we protect our future. Let us make today the day our actions speak louder than our words. Thank you and have a wonderful green day.